We make money using videos, but unlike these videos with cameras and microphones, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, but I'm gonna show you step by step how you can start doing it. Even if you're a complete beginner and you have never made money online, and you can do it from anywhere on the planet, you don't need experience, technical knowledge, website, mailing list, or social media following, and you can start today. Sounds good? Let's do this. But we wanted to make this video for our customers, but later we thought, why not we publish it to YouTube and other channels so everybody can learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we have a goal of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same. And not only you are going to learn, but also you can participate in our noble mission of helping others by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media following. Basically, your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and social media timeline. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. Done? Let's go jump in and make money. What you see here is one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and the money you see here, let me take a quick screenshot, is quite impressive. $107,468.55. This is 6 figures in affiliate commissions. Pretty impressive. But that's not the most important thing. The most important thing are this number of hops. These are the clicks generated from our viewers of our contents, like this video contents or other video contents that I'm about to share with you. So in order to make videos and share helpful content with audience using YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, we simply learn, study, get helpful information, and take screenshots like this. People love our content, they click our links, and those clicks generate money. So how do we make videos without using camera and microphone? Here is the trick. We take screenshots like this, copy it, go to Epic, our artificial intelligence software, click here, put the video, upload it in the library, and the image is uploaded in the library to use. Now we're going to click here to put the image on the canvas. Now we can bring it here, zoom it, move it, talk about it. Oh, talking about it? Oh no, we don't use our microphones. We use artificial intelligence. So we copy text and information from outside, from other websites, go to the text section, click the text generator, and put that copied text, other people's text from other website right here, and use any of the buttons, the AI, the artificial intelligence, rewrite the text, and the text become ours. Then we take that text, go to the audio section, and click the text to audio section, put that text right here, just one click, and the text turns into natural sounding voiceover. And that's not all. We can add text too as well to demonstrate our video or use as subtitle. The choice is yours. Literally, you can put your thought or your learnings or information, news, anything you want, just like we are putting all this information right here. You can do it and make simple video, information video. Then here is the best part. Save it as a campaign and then go to other work. Epic will save it as a bite-sized video. It can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long, and then come back later, add another section. For that, you just have to click this add new button, add another section, and add more to your content if you want. And once you are happy with your content, simply click the render button and the video will be ready in the background in the cloud. Then you can download it and upload it anywhere you want. Those videos will bring views, which are customers. These customers click our links, and those clicks generate passive affiliate commission. You might be saying, Mosh, I don't have idea what to make videos about. Photography tips. Everyone has a phone. Everyone knows how to shoot photos. Go on YouTube and look for what people are searching about. Learn those tricks, and what you are learning, take notes using screenshots just like this, and teach your viewers not only how to shoot photography, but also more about what you are learning and how you are learning. That will make you 2 types of videos. One is about photography, how to shoot photos. Another one is how to make money using photography video. Now take informations like this, just like this that I'm taking now, like I'm talking about 3.6 million views on this video, 2.2 million views on this video, and 525,000 views in these videos. All these are customers of cameras, colors, softwares, presets, other courses. Okay, literally a lots lots of customers out there buying a lot of things about photography per se. Then again, take this screenshot, copy it, go to Epic, add a new section, add this image in your video and talk about it. Hey, look, photography tips are awesome. People are watching these videos. And on YouTube alone, every single month, 156,000 people search about photography tips. If you make photography tips videos, you can get a piece of these customers as well. Wow, now you are the guru. All start from Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. Grab Epic and start using right now. This made our life easy. We can make informative, helpful, educational, promotional videos on the fly without using camera and microphone. Using camera and microphone is awesome. I love them, but they are exhausting. You can't make videos with camera and microphone every single day, all day long. But you can make videos using Epic all day long. Whatever you're learning, going through, browsing, doing, just take screenshot, talk about it in your videos, publish your video. Those videos will get you. Now, not only affiliate marketing, as you are making videos on different topics, go to Udemy and search for that topic. Let's say photography. I found there are 422 photography courses on Udemy. Now, Udemy has their own 100 million monthly customers and 20% customers come from Google. So basically, if you upload your bundle of videos on Udemy, you can get 20 million customers from Google. I mean, your videos will be exposed to 20 million targeted customers from Google and remaining from Udemy. They're always buying courses in order to learn new skills. Now, let me take this image. I'm gonna put this in my video in order to make another video. As you can see, as I'm shooting this video, I'm making another video using the same information with Epic. Looks effortless? Absolutely it is. And later when I have time, I'll just come back, go to the audio section, either record my own voice using this microphone, or if I'm not in the mood, I will turn the text into audio. But in any case, I'll make videos, I'll get those clicks, and they will make affiliate commissions for me. Have you grabbed your Epic access yet? Link is in the description. It is free. Go grab it now. What are you waiting for? Here's an interesting information. This photography course was sold to 304,440 students at the price of $24.99. Let's ask Siri how much money was generated. Hey Siri, how much is 304,440 times 24.99?
304,440 times 24.99 is 7,607,955.6.
$7 million? Wow, that's a lot of money. I'm not sure they have made that much money or not. Maybe they have changed their prices multiple times. Maybe they have given away their course for free to a lot of people to get ratings and good feedbacks. But in any case, even if it's 10% of this income, it's still $700,000. That's $0.7 million. But anyways, let's consider this is $7 million course. Wow. Take this screenshot and let's put this info on Epic to make a new video out of this information. This is so amazing, so inspiring. All by making videos using softwares like Epic, bundle them up and uploading them on Udemy. So yes, your videos will get customers from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, because you're helping customers with awesome, helpful information, which are basically copied and pasted from other places on the internet. Then bundle them up and upload them on Udemy and make $7 million in the process. Wow. You still waiting? Go grab Epic and start making your awesome videos. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same. And you can participate in that. All you have to do is to hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts in your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. They will love you for sharing this information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money and you can do it too. Go ahead, start today. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.